Hey friends, if you encounter the network credentials error on your Windows computer, then please watch this video. Now, before anything else, we need to make sure that the credentials are correct. Okay, so I'll try to connect. I will just make sure that the credentials are correct because if the credentials are not correct, then it won't work. Okay, it's also automatically connecting. But even if it didn't, we can enter the credentials. So once you are sure that the network password and the user ID are correct, then the next option is to run the network troubleshooter. Right click on the start button and select settings from the menu. Now go to the system tab on the list on the left hand side. In the right pane, select troubleshoot, select other troubleshooters, and then click on run corresponding to the network and internet troubleshooter. So this is what can help you. Now, another part is about installing the network drivers, which you cannot because how would you update the drivers when the internet is not working? So you can do one thing, go to a different computer, not the same computer, and then open the internet and search for Intel network drivers. If you are using an Intel computer, if it's an AMD computer, then go to AMD and then go to the first option here. Then download this zip file. Okay. Let the zip file install on your system, then click on save as and then save it. Okay, it will just need a few seconds to save. And once it is saved, you can open it. Okay, click on this folder. You can right click on this and then you can select extract all and then extract all. You have to extract it on your own computer after shifting it to your system using a pen drive or some other wired connection, whatever you prefer. Okay, and then you can double click on this setup file here. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.